Today we have a 2020 HAAS ST-35LY. Machine has a 12-inch chuck, tool setter, it's got a tailstock, chip conveyor, Y-axis, live tooling, Z-axis. We're going to run it for you. It's got steady rest provision and also has an Atling steady rest with it. Spindle's currently running at 250 in low range. It's got 2-speed gearbox. That is 500. Switching to high range. Like 200 high range. $750 in high. That's $1250. The max is $2,400. All right. What's next? All right. As I said, machine has full Z-axis. Z-axis sounds good. As does X. That's your Y right there. Nice. Now we're going to index the turret. $2,500 on the live tool. We're going down, 1,000 RPM. All right. All right. This machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.